Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question. Question number 34. So we are using the same instruction to answer this question, looking out for the word among the list of options provided that rhyme with the given word. And the given word here is pronounced as seek. It's long E, seek. Seek. Then we have option A. Option A is pronounced as antique. Antique. Option B is pronounced as leak. Short E. Option C is pronounced as seed. Long E. Option D is pronounced as sick. Short E. Option E is pronounced as sickle. Short E, sickle. So one will wonder that option C will be the correct answer, but no. The correct answer here is option A, because option A has k sound as in the given word, so it rhymes with the given word sick with long E, the antique with long E, and end with k sound. So option A is the correct option. Thank you and God bless you, and sure you subscribe for more of our videos.